Hi, I'm Sakina of MBS Creates. I'm a realtor and a social media coach. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about my opinion on which social media network is the best for realtors to use. And I have a hint, it is not what you think. If you're new to my channel, welcome. MBS Creates is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs, YouTubers, influencers, and other content creators thrive using the power of social media. I post 2 very informative videos per week, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video if you learn at least one new thing that you did not know. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video topic. Okay, so if you see me look down, I'm looking at my notes because I have a lot of notes and things to share with you guys. But the one thing I want you to know is that social media is not a one-size-fits-all. There are different social media networks, and each platform is pretty much different as far as what type of content is popular and which demographics tend to gravitate towards that network. And that's going to be important when it comes to you as a realtor deciding what your social media strategy is going to be. Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are the platforms that I consider the golden triage of social media. And each platform caters to a specific demographic, and each platform has a popular type of content that is posted primarily. You need to know which platforms are popular with which demographic and the content types that are popular on those platforms in order for you to make a really smart strategy for your business. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. According to socialshepherd.com, Facebook is most popular amongst men ages 25 to 34. So this is based off 2021 data. Hootsuite, which is a social media marketing company that I have used in the past, I like their information as well. They reported that Facebook is the most popular social media network for men and women ages 35 to 44. Millennials are still clinging to Facebook, even though there are more popular apps like TikTok. Millennials still tend to gravitate towards Facebook. Facebook is also the #1 app for marketers, so that's something that's important to know as well. Instagram is most popular with Generation Z, with 31.5% of users being between the ages of 25 and 34 years old. TikTok is considered the fastest growing social media network with about 80 million users monthly, and with about 60% of those users being female. The average age range for users of TikTok is between the ages of 16 to 24. Now, when you're deciding which social media network you should focus on as a realtor, I highly suggest you do a Google search and Google this specific data. You want to know which demographic is using which social media platforms that you're considering using, and you're going to want to know how much money they make per year. So get on Google the average age range for users on YouTube if you want to use YouTube or you want more information about YouTube, and how much money annually users make. That way you can decide if that is your target audience. So, who is your client? If you're a licensed realtor, then you know there are numerous ways for you to make money in this industry. You can be a listing agent, a buyer's agent, a tenant's agent. You can work with investors. You can work in commercial. There's a lot of different ways to make money in real estate. And it's important for you to know who your target demographic is when it comes to marketing. Your job as an agent or a realtor is to identify who your clientele is. You want to know their age, their average annual income, etc. Once you figure out their age, you can kind of gauge which social media platform they're most likely to be hanging out on. And that's going to help you when it comes to deciding which social media platforms that you like to focus on for your social media strategy. Once you identify the platform that your target audience uses the most, you can make that your primary focus. I recommend picking a secondary social media platform to use as well. And you're going to use the same information to decide which platform that second social media platform will be, but you can also throw in or factor in enjoyment level for you. Like, do you actually enjoy using that social media platform? And then another thing is ease of use. Like, is it going to be easy for you to create content for that platform? And also engagement. Are you already on that platform and you get a lot of engagement from your followers? That might be a platform that you want to focus on. Now for me, I decided 2 social media networks that I wanted to work with, and that is Facebook and Instagram. I do have a TikTok account for my realtor business, and I do have a YouTube account for my real estate business. However, my social media strategy is only including Facebook and Instagram because I only have time to focus on those 2. The content is easy to create and digest, and my engagement on both of those platforms is the best. I enjoy YouTube because I love making videos, but YouTube is just not the smart route for me to go when it comes to my social media strategy for my real estate business. Obviously for MPS Creates, I think that YouTube is the perfect place for me to share videos because I feel like YouTube is a great platform for teaching and educating people. So that's why I chose YouTube. My TikTok account, I created my TikTok when I first got into real estate because I didn't really know much about TikTok, and I wanted to kind of get a sense for what it would be like and if it would be a good lead source for me. After about 5 months of using it and posting consistently, I decided that it wasn't worth it. I wasn't getting the engagement. The age bracket was not what I wanted to target, so it's just a waste of my time. And time is very valuable because I need to be learning more about real estate and what's going on in the real estate market here in my city, as opposed to creating content. So that's how I decided which platforms to use. You can do whatever works best for you and your schedule, but I wanted to kind of give you that as an example of how you can kind of conclude which social media platforms you're going to use for your social media strategy. So as you can see, you still need to do a little bit of work on your own to determine which social media platform is going to be best for you and your business. But I hope that this video provided you with the top areas to focus on in order to figure out which platform is going to be best for you. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube and me know that you want to see more content like this. And of course, go ahead and subscribe because I post 2 videos weekly with informative information such as today's topic. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I hope that you learned something from it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.